But I commit to do it.
You and me.
Basically, we have been to see the Minister of Sports. We have also been to see the Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Machogu, together with the PS Education, who have been good enough, they have been part of the preparation to see that this championship succeeds come May 2024. Games have always been national. It has been done from the zonal all the way into national and to East Africa, which was actually regionally. And then last year we proceeded to African Championship, and it has elevated our games further to international status. So it has actually been able to make the games very competitive, international and recognizable. So it's not only done nationally, and it has now gone international.
We are here in Kenya for the preparation of the organizing committee about the ISF World School Championship of Cross Country, which will happen in May 2024 in Kenya, in Nairobi. We are very exciting because we were here mainly to see 2 points. First of all, the support of the authorities, the national authorities, and for the preparation of the technical part. For the first part, I would say that we are very satisfied because we met and we signed all the agreement with the authority, the Cabinet Secretary of Education today, and yesterday also we had the support of the Cabinet Secretary of Sport. So I can really confirm that ISF is very satisfied about the support of the highest authority of the government for the preparation.
That me and my brother in sports, we have a one government approach. And not only one government approach, but also a one country approach. Meaning that apart from government, including the private sector and each and every other person, will be involved in this to make sure that we achieve 100% success in hosting this event. It will not be 99, but 100% success, I assure you, Mr. President, because when you come to the kind of infrastructure or development required in order for us to successfully host this event.
But we have to now take further your stage.
Can I exchange now?
You can exchange.
You can exchange.